When it comes to choosing the right VPN, Proton VPN and PureVPN often come up in comparisons, but which one is truly the best overall? And, more importantly, which one stands out for streaming enthusiasts? In this video, we'll break down the key differences between Proton VPN and PureVPN so you can make an informed decision on which one suits your needs. Let's start with Proton VPN. Proton has built a strong reputation for being a privacy-focused VPN. It's one of the most secure options out there, offering features like secure core servers and a strict no-logs policy. If you're looking for top-tier security and privacy, Proton VPN could be your best overall choice. The downside? While it shines in privacy and security, its speed can sometimes be a little inconsistent, especially on free plans. That can be a deal breaker if you need fast, uninterrupted service for streaming or gaming. Next thing, PureVPN. PureVPN is a solid option, especially if you're a streaming enthusiast. It offers a vast network of servers in 70+ countries, which is great for accessing content from all over the globe. Whether it's Netflix, BBC iPlayer, or Disney+, PureVPN's ability to bypass geo-restrictions is impressive. But it's not all smooth sailing. Some users have reported occasional slowdowns, and there have been concerns about its privacy policy in the past, which means it may not be your best bet if privacy is your #1 concern. Now, let's talk about performance. Proton VPN offers some decent speeds with its paid plans, but if you're after streaming quality and buffer-free experience, Proton VPN might not always be able to keep up. In contrast, PureVPN excels in providing a seamless streaming experience with its optimized servers for services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime. If you're someone who's mostly concerned with streaming performance, PureVPN does have a slight edge in this area. When it comes to pricing, Proton VPN's free plan is one of the best in the industry, but it comes with limitations in terms of speed and available countries. If you're willing to pay for higher speeds and more features, the paid plans are competitive. PureVPN also has a free trial, but its pricing is more in line with other mid-tier VPN providers. However, PureVPN often offers discounts and deals, making it a bit more affordable if you're looking for something budget-friendly. Another critical factor is ease of use. Proton VPN has a clean, user-friendly interface, but it might take a bit of getting used to, especially for beginners. PureVPN, on the other hand, offers a more intuitive experience, with easy setup and navigation that will likely appeal to users who want things to work right out of the box. Now, to sum up, Proton VPN is fantastic for overall security and privacy, making it the best choice for users who prioritize those aspects. But when it comes to streaming, it falls a little short compared to PureVPN. PureVPN, however, is the clear winner for streaming enthusiasts, providing more access to international content with a solid performance record. Still, it does have some questions around privacy, so keep that in mind if that's a top priority for you. But after trying both of these myself, I've found that neither of these options truly hit the sweet spot for my needs. If you're looking for the best of both worlds, security and streaming performance, I've got a better alternative for you. Take advantage of the exclusive free trial through the first link in the description. You'll get the best deal and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. These VPNs are good, but if you want something that outperforms both Proton VPN and PureVPN, check out the link below.